Hello everybody, it's your favorite Italian, Ryan Martino of Martino Motorsports. What better event to have in off season than the cookie table and cocktails event with the Mahoning Valley Historical Society. This year marks the 8th annual event. We've been selected as guest judges to judge thousands of cookies. We're gonna pick it down to one today. Cookie tables are something that was pretty historical to Youngstown. A lot of immigration in this area in its early days, mainly because of the job opportunities with the steel mills. And because these people were getting married at a rapid rate coming over here as immigrants to the United States of America, gaining citizenship, it was difficult for these people to afford these weddings and the wedding cake. So everybody in the family gathered together, made cookies, and hence the cookie table was invented. It spread so fast that people that were not even members of the family, that were just attending the wedding, added cookies, and before you knew it, there was rows and rows of cookies. I think the Guinness Book of World Records says that 88,000 cookies is the world record. They've never been to a Martino wedding. We're looking forward to tomorrow night. We're looking forward to judging today, and hope you all enjoy this experience.
Is a challenge, not just the eating of a lot of cookies, but we have 86 bakers who have done amazing work. We have had more cookies this year than ever before. We have over 10,100 cookies in the building at the moment. We will be taking that down to probably 8,000. The reason we are all separated is because that's how we're going to do this judging. So we have 2 divisions. We have 4 categories. So the 2 divisions, our professional division, they know what they're doing. I'm probably not going to tell them anything else. They've been doing this for years. Our amateur division, back in the back, we've got a lot of pro amateur judges back there. You guys are going to get us your top 4. A 3rd place, a 2nd place, a 1st place, and then your overall Judges' Choice winners. Our 4 categories, a little bit different this year. 3 of our categories are pretty straightforward. Our best decorated cookie, there's 5 entries. You just gotta give me your best cookie. Our best cocktail inspired cookie, we have, I believe, 5 or 4. In our unique ingredient category, I think we have 17 or 18 entries. Again, you just gotta give me your top cookie. You've got cookies assigned, so you don't have to eat all 18. And then this group needs to go from 48 to 1. So there are 48 cookies in the traditional category, and you guys need to give me your top cookie.
Hi everyone, Ryan Martino back for day 2 at the Cookie Tables and Cocktails event for the Mahoning Valley Historical Society. When you're going into this event, you're going to need a couple key ingredients. The shoebox. You're wondering, why a shoebox? When I was a kid about this big, I'd always see my grandparents walking in there, my cousins, aunts, uncles, the whole community walking in there with shoeboxes. Everybody brings, for these cookie tables, there's thousands of cookies, one end to the other. These are for the take-homes. So at the end of the night, when they give you the green light, all the grandmas are up there fighting for the last cookies. Load this box up, it should last you a week or 2. Another key ingredient is going to be your sunglasses. In this case, your Salt Life sunglasses. When they play Eyes of Your Brother Shout, you need these on to be a key player. And finally, you're going to need a Sharpie, because you never know who's going to come up to you and ask the Martinos for an autograph.
It started 8 years ago, and every year Frank seems to, with the help of his team, outdo himself, and he certainly has done that this year.
Who are you here with?
It's showtime. It's time to narrow down 10,000 plus cookies to 13 a baker's dozen. I don't know how I'm going to do it. This is probably going to be harder than the judging I had to do yesterday. I'm going to take you through a journey through this line, and we're going to show you what a cookie table is up close and personal. Now how about this for a concept? We have YSU football players guarding the cookie table to make sure we only got 13. My man, you're not going to harm me if I get more than 13, are you? Nope. And that's a wrap from the 2020 8th Annual Mahoning Valley Historical Society Cookie Tables and Cocktails event. Had a great time. Probably packed on about 10 extra pounds from the 10,000 plus cookies that were here from 80 plus of the greatest bakers in the world. Nothing beats a cookie table, and I hope you enjoyed the experience. Probably gonna hit the Y first thing in the morning, try to shed this weight on before we start our season in April.